This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone to your Google TV. So if it's a Google device connecting with another Google device, it's very easy. All you have to do is find the screen mirror option on your phone. So if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet, I can see Scump here, and I'm connected to Scump on my TV. Scroll on over to the screen mirror or casting option. So it could be a screen mirror, cast, it could be something widely different. But we can go to cast now, and I should be able to see my Google TV on here. So I can see my Google TV streamer in my front room, and then I can see my Samsung TV in the back room here too. All I have to do is tap it. Now on your Samsung phone, it's going to be a little bit different because it's going to be called Smart View, I believe. So if I scroll on down from the top, I have to locate Smart View down here. So it's right here, and then I should be able to see the same options. So my Samsung phone is very slow. So we can just tap this and it should pop up. Now the most important thing is that you connect to the same Wi-Fi. If you are connecting to a different Wi-Fi router, you're not going to be able to see the option for it. So you can see, I should be able to see the same options now with my TV streamer. So it says living room TV, that's the option I previously connected to. And then do we want to cast one app or do we want to cast the entire screen? So let's go to cast entire screen. So just make sure your TV is on your Google TV device, whether it's the Google Streamer, Chromecast, I don't know, whatever you're using that has Google TV. It could be a Sony TV or something like that. And now I am casting my phone to my TV. You can see I have this different option here. And just go back to the casting options and you can disconnect. So right here I'm disconnecting now, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out.